Have you guys been using the Character AI app and wondering on how to turn off vibration on it? Then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off vibration in the Character AI app. So let's dive right in. First of all, open the Character AI app just like this. After that, you will see something like this. Now to turn off the vibration, tap onto the profile icon at the top, just right here. Now select it. Then here you can find the settings option just right here. Now tap on it. Then scroll down and here we can find the haptics just right here. Now the haptics is the vibration. Now to turn off, simply tap on to haptics off just right here. And after doing this, the vibration will be turned off. And that's it. This is how you can turn off the vibration in the Character AI app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.